So, hi all, hope all are safe and good. Okay, so today what we are going to talk is about how to take care of yourself if you have any of the corona symptoms, or if you are diagnosed to be a corona and you have a mild to moderate range of disease. So, mild to moderate doesn't need a hospitalization, but it requires a home care, and it requires continuous monitoring so that if things get worse we can get ourselves hospitalized. So check this video to know more about this. So when can I stay at home? When can I leave home? So if you are not diagnosed by a COVID, you please leave the home. Make sure you wear your mask and all other protective gears. Go to a physician and check yourself for a COVID test. RT-PCR and all those tests are available, which can give you a result within few hours or days. Let's So you can leave 72 hours after you don't have a fever. It's like you have not had a fever for at least 72 hours. That is 3 days you don't have a fever without taking any fever reducing medicine. Other symptoms such as your cough or throat pain has reduced, shortness of breath has improved, and at least 7 days from the time from which your first symptom appeared, the minimum. So now you are in home quarantine, know what to do, what not to do. Stay away from your family members, isolate yourself, okay? Wear a face mask. If you have to be around others, protect them from your cough or sneeze at least. If it is not if it is not avoidable to be staying away from others, it is advisable to stay. But if you are not, it is malady that you have to stay with someone. At least make sure that they are not exposed to your sneeze and cough. Do not share your utensils, dishes, don't share bathroom, don't share any of your bed belongings like carpet or something, or your pillow covers, bed covers, etc. Your mattress with others of your family who is not be affected by this COVID. Stay away from them. If you have to deal with them, always wear a face mask, glove, especially with your pets, and yes, clean and disinfect all surfaces, including your washrooms regularly, your clothings regularly, and towels, etc., so that the infection is not spread to others in the family. So, how to take care of yourself? First of all, take a plenty of rest. Rest is the main cure for any viral infection, and eating healthy food is another milestone for upcoming or any virus infection you get out of it. Healthy food is main. Monitor yourself regularly for fever. Buy a pulse oximeter if possible and monitor yourself. If you feel any difference in temperature or high temperature, or your oxygen levels going down, please go hospitalize yourself. Look for the websites which says somewhere hospital beds are available. Call your physician for help if you need anything, and please go hospitalize. And use a humidifier, or take a warm water bath, so that it can actually warm water kills a lot of pathogens. Use a hand wash, wash your hands for 20 seconds. Use a alcohol based hand sanitizer, at least it will be 60% alcohol. And often you have to clean your hands, and if you're going to sneeze or cough, make sure you use the bathroom and sanitize it or disinfect it properly. This all will help in reducing or transferring the disease to others. So now comes the main part, which is diet. So take a lot of water, plenty of water. Make sure you're hydrated and you're not dehydrated. Okay. Number two, have a healthy, balanced food. Make sure don't take excess of salt or excess of sugar containing foods. Not make sure also don't have excess fat containing food. Take a lot of fibers that can actually make a good, healthy, balanced diet for you. Take a lot of fibers, appropriate amount of carbohydrates. Take a lot of proteins, and of course you will be given a multivitamin tablets with your prescription, but still make sure that you have appropriate balanced diet, and take something that's healthy, that will boost your immunity. So coming to this immunity boosters, which all food can boost your immunity? It has been said a traditional way of medicine called as Kavasura Kutini, which has been famous among the Tamil Nadu side, can actually boost your immunity. And others like ginger, honey, and your lemon can has been shown to boost your immunity. Ginger containing chai can actually boost your immunity. And others like vitamin C rich food can also boost your immunity. So if you're having your healthier immunity, boosting your immunity, naturally you don't need of any of those medicines. But still, your doctor might prescribe you some medicines for your symptoms. So the most commonly given is an acetaminophen or paracetamol, which is given for your reducing your fever. It is called as a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug. In case of you have a pain, you might be given a diclofenac or aceclofenac or sometimes a ibuprofen. So what else can be given is that you'll be given a vitamin C tablet for chewing that can boost your immunity. You can be given a multivitamin tablet, especially a zinc containing multivitamin tablet for your boosting your immunity as well as healing. You will be asked to monitor your pulse oximeter readings and thermometer for your fear finding your temperature so that they can monitor you for if you are in a home quarantine. And what else medication they might provide is about antibacterial drug if it is going to be any other secondary infections due to any bacteria. Most commonly now the most common it is giving an azithromycin, but your doctor might decide depending upon what suits you, what not suits you. That depends on your doctor. And I've advised mouth gargle like povidone iodine mouth gargle is actually seen to do a best even in preventing the transmission as well. Salt water, a lukewarm water gargle that does a fantastic job not only with that of COVID, but that of all bacteria, viruses, and maintaining your aseptic condition in your mouth, your oral cavity, your pharynx, etc. So taking care of yourself properly and preventing your family members acquiring this COVID can actually prevent the chain of transmission. To conclude, so monitor yourself properly. Okay, if you are going to be in a home quarantine, monitor yourself properly. If you find any signs or symptoms not improving, please go hospitalize and eat healthy foods. Take rest, take a plenty of rest that can actually change the pandemic into nothing, and thus will break. We all together will break the corona pandemic, the chain of transmission, and let's make a better world for everyone to live. Thank you all, and please like, share, and subscribe. And your subscription will help me a lot in doing more and more such videos. And please share your comments that can actually improve me, help me improve in a lot of aspects. Thank you all.